Hey folks, I'm John P. with Texas Metalworks. Today I want to show you 3 different clamps that you can use on these fixture tables. So first of all, we've got what we call a T-handle clamp, because this looks like a T. We've got a ratcheting clamp, and then we've got this special plier type clamp. The T-clamp, we drop it in the hole, just give it a few turns. You see this leaning, I can no longer get this out, and this is secure. The other type of clamp is the ratcheting clamp. So this one, we're gonna drop in the hole, same way. We're gonna bring it down. There's a little trigger, and we can squeeze this. And what you'll notice is when we loosen it, and I kind of hold the back here and push, there you go. So that one's clamped. So this is a faster version of this. If we want to release it, it comes off really quick. This one I'm gonna have to turn. Now, why would we want to use the pliers? Well, right now we're clamping down from the outside, everything's unobstructed, but I want you to imagine that we need to clamp on the inside of this, okay? Well, this one clearly is not gonna work. This big handle, there's no room to move this in there. So this one we can't use at all. This one, we can maybe kind of get it, let's see here. If we get it in a hole nearby, yeah, I can kind of get it in there and then try and spin this around. So I'm not saying you can't use it. If you have a little bit of clearance, you maybe can. So yeah, that's clamped, so that works, but here's the easier way, okay? We're gonna stick this in this hole, and I'm gonna squeeze down on this, and if I need to, I can just adjust right here. So now there's no tension. I just keep turning this. Now it's kind of gotten tight. I'm gonna open this, turn a little more, and then clamp. So this is much faster and can reach inside of things when we need to clamp them, where this one is really better for the outside. By the way, I mentioned how strong these T-handle clamps are, and just for a test, to give you a demonstration, I went over and used a couple of them to pick up one of these tables that weighs about 500 pounds. So I used 2 of the clamps just to keep it balanced out, but one of the clamps would have picked up the table. It's just hard to move that way. You can put a lot more pressure on objects to hold them to the table than you really should. I would say if you're gonna need more pressure than that, it's better to bolt them to the holes instead. Anyway, that's it. That's how these 3 different clamps are used. Pick up a variety of them because you never know what situation you're gonna run into. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. We're out.